Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the white background in your line art. I have here this illustration on one layer, so there is a white background and black line art. This is quite easy and it takes only a few steps. What you have to do, first we have to copy this layer. So let's tap on it and pick copy. Now we are going to make a new layer on top of this. We can turn off this layer now, we don't need to see this now. And we can color the new layer with any color. So let's drag and drop the color in here. Now we are going to add mask to this layer. So let's open the layers, tap on this layer and pick here mask. We want to copy our illustration to the mask. So let's go to the actions menu, go to add and pick paste. Now let's open the layers and you can see that everything that is here black on this mask was taken away. To make it more visible for you, I'll make a new layer, I'll put it over here and I will color it maybe in yellow. You see? So this layer now doesn't have this shape. Let's go back here and to make this inverted, because we want to have this line art actually, not what's outside of it, we can just tap here and pick invert. Now we have here the line art in that pink color. Let's turn this off and here it is. If you want this to be in black, you can just simply tap on this layer here, take the black color and color it. So here's how you can easily get rid of the white background in your illustration, in your line art. I hope this video was useful and you enjoyed it. If you would like to learn more about digital art and draw with me in Procreate, make sure to subscribe to my channel and you can check out my Patreon. I have many step-by-step drawing tutorials there and Procreate brushes. Link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!